Okay, first we'll go for the expansion of this. A sine omega t, sine sine of a plus b formula, so b sine omega t cos phi, b cos omega t sine phi. Then the RMS value of this, I think I have to integrate, so let me just find out the I square value. Okay, this I square value, so this we are going to expand it. A square sine square omega t plus 2ab a square sine omega t, so 2ab sine square omega t cos phi two ab 2ac 2ca 2bc. Now this will become 2b square sine omega t cos omega t sine cos phi 2ab Okay, this I think it's a very big one which we have to integrate. There's a phase angle. This part is a phase angle. Okay, I think now we'll go for integration. Anyway, we got equation. Everything has to be substituted. Can be asked in exam, so better I think the formula, if you can remember, you can be on safer side in exams. I'll try to generalize it. This everything should be already we have this function now, so there's everything has to be brought in the integral. Already we have squared it now, the whole quantity has to be integrated. This everything has to be integrated, so let's separate it. RMS square 1 by dt. It's a very big, I'll get it seems. Okay, we'll do it. A square I think the end answer will help us to generalize it. So many terms will cancel out. Already we know the previous one integration we did know. 2b square. Okay, that's a b square sine omega t. Okay, 2 sine cos phi will come outside. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. B square sine phi cos phi. It is interference of two waves only, but square is there. Please do understand. Nothing wrong. You can use any mathematical thing, nothing wrong. But it has to be integrated. There's no other way. 2, let me send inside. It is going to play a very good role here. Okay, let's. I want you to. What can be value of sine square omega t?
T square by 2.
Yashovardhan, I'll tell you in the end. If you want, you can calculate your own method, because I had the teacher first. I had to show one method, then shortcut method. In the end, I had to conclude. Okay, please understand my position also. Huh? Whatever you want to carry on. In the end, I'll show one shortcut method. What is the value of sine square omega t for one full cycle? 1 by 2. It should be t by 2. Just now, previous one, we have discussed so many, one problem we have discussed here. I'm just covering from there. What is the value of sine square omega t? We ended up, it was t by 2, no? Of course, put b equal to 1. What is the value of sine square omega t? Sine square omega t dt for one full cycle. It should be equal to t by 2. So is it for cos square omega t also same thing? Yes, it will also be same thing. What is this? What is the meaning of this? Average value for one cycle, no? That is for sine square theta should be 1 by 2. For sine theta cos theta it will be 0. Oh, you know, lot of trigonometry here. Average value of sine theta cos theta for one full cycle will be 0. Average value of sine square theta cos square theta will be 1 by 2. Here the limit is there t, so t by 2 should be substituted. So with that background, okay, we will go for substitution here. I think I'll proceed here. This will be 1 by t. This should be 0. Oh, sorry, t by 2. Sorry, t by 2. Cos square phi sine square omega t. This should also be t by 2. T by 2. Sine square omega t. This should also be t by 2. This will be 0. This will be 0. Any reason for that? Sine omega 2 sine omega t cos omega t. You are going to make it as sine 2 omega t. Then sine omega t, sine 2 omega t, or sine 3 omega t. What is the average value for one full cycle? Should be 0. So these quantities will end up 0. So t get cancels. So we will do one thing. T get cancels. One by 2 a square. Here it is b square plus 2ab cos phi. This is square. Or the 2 be there only. Yeah? This will be. So what is the RMS value of this signal? Finally, it will be a by root 2 whole square, b by root 2 whole square, then ab cos phi. Agreed. This one. So this is the RMS value. Yashovardhan, you were saying something. Agreed with this? Yeah, that's what. Now the resultant. I'll tell you later on, because I want first everyone to think. Then we have to search for any alternatives. Okay, I think better remember this formula. I'll give numerical, we'll use this formula, then I'll propose another method. That'll be much easier than this one. So every time we can't analyze mathematically like this. Okay, here only I have a place. I will start with this one. So find the